Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. My topic for this afternoon will be how to remove the rust on the bottom portion of our refrigerator. So I got here a putty. So I applied or I sandpaper first the rustings, the one with the rust. Then I applied a putty. Okay. The rust portion is only around, it's not too thick, it's just a minimal thing. So after smoothing, after making the rust portion smooth, I applied this putty here. So right now, I eliminated the rust portion. Oh, that's just one coating. So maybe the next day, as this will harden, I will try to sandpaper again and apply another coat of this putty thing here. We call it timasilya. Okay. So I could make this bottom portion of our refrigerator looks great again. That's just the first coating. That's just the first coating. So the next day, as it hardens, I will try to sandpaper it. Then I will apply more putty. So the rusted portion should be covered with this putty thing here. This putty here is same as the one they are using in the body of cars. So this is actually very durable. I got one portion here. This one. Okay. This was rusted a while ago. I sandpaper it. Then applied the first coating of the putty. I will let one defrost. Then I will try to solder it again. Sandpaper it again. Then apply the second coating of the putty. Okay. And for the third one, I might apply a spray, white spray paint to coincide or to conform with the color of this refrigerator here. So this is the rusted portion. This refrigerator is 20-year-old. Okay, but it still looks great. The inside portion is good. I'm just waiting for the startup relay so I could revive this refrigerator. Of course, if I will try to revive this one, I will try to improve the rusted portion. Okay. The one I used to eliminate the rusted portion is this putty thing here. We call it masilya. It is the same as the one they are using for cars. Okay. So this is for now. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. I try to eliminate the rusted portion of the bottom portion of our refrigerator by using a putty. Okay, that's just the first coating. Okay. So this is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. My discussion is on the elimination of the rusted portion, bottom portion of our ref. Good afternoon from Los Angeles.